Can VBA code be used in VB?
Hello everyone. In this video we're going to explore a question that many programmers often ask: can VBA code be used in VB? We'll delve into the details, discuss compatibility, and look at how to effectively leverage your VBA skills in the world of VB.
What is VBA and VB?
Let's start with the basics. Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, is an implementation of Microsoft's event-driven programming language, Visual Basic 6, and its associated Integrated Development Environment, IDE. It is built into most Microsoft Office applications and is used for controlling the behavior of these applications. On the other hand, Visual Basic, VB, specifically Visual Basic.NET, VB.NET, is a modern, object-oriented programming language that is developed by Microsoft and runs on the .NET framework. It is a successor to the original Visual Basic language.
Can you directly use VBA code in VB?
Now to the crux of the matter. Can you directly use VBA code in VB? The answer is not as straightforward as a simple yes or no. Due to the evolution from Visual Basic 6 to VB.NET, there are some significant differences in the language structure, features, and libraries. This means that VBA code cannot be directly copied and pasted into VB.NET without modifications. However, the logic and general structure of VBA code can often serve as a useful starting point for creating VB.NET code.
How can you convert VBA code to VB.NET code?
So, how can we convert VBA code to VB.NET code? You would have to translate the VBA code into VB.NET syntax, and replace any libraries or objects that are specific to the VBA environment with equivalents that work in VB.NET. This might require some work and a good understanding of both VBA and VB.NET, but it's possible with some effort. It's also important to note that VB.NET, being a more modern language, supports features not available in VBA such as structured exception handling and multi-threading, so you might want to utilize these features when converting your code. In conclusion, while it's not possible to directly use VBA code in VB.NET, with some understanding of the differences between the two languages, it's certainly feasible to translate VBA code into VB.NET code. If you're familiar with VBA and transitioning to VB.NET, this can be a handy skill to have. Remember, the logic and ideas in your VBA code are often the most valuable parts, and these can definitely be carried over into VB.NET. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been informative and helped clarify the relationship between VBA and VB. Happy coding!